Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to increase Wi-Fi speed, so let's get started. First, press Windows plus R, type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. Now right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. Click Configure. Then go to the Advanced tab. Find Preferred Band and select 5 GHz if your router supports it. Then find Transmit Power and set it to the highest available option. Click OK and restart your PC. Also, make sure you are connected to the 5 GHz Wi-Fi network when you are close to your router. That's it. These settings can help improve your Wi-Fi speed and connection stability are optimized.